Here's the Swan 700 again. So I did drop some more solder grounding on some of the tube sockets here, which are used as ground terminals. You can see right there, I put a good glob on that tube socket to ground it. And then on the driver tube, I also put a good glob of solder right there to the chassis to make sure these are grounding well. And I've been tapping around here to see what else I can find. It seems pretty steady now. That still seems a little shaky. Sometimes you can just put pressure on these too and see if they make noise. There might be something still amiss here somewhere, but I'm not finding it. But yeah, if you can't find a noise, sometimes just grounding all the tube sockets with solder will work, because those are used as ground points for many connections. So we knew this was a microphonic connection here. That's all done. Anyway, it's a lot more steady than it was. Pretty good. They do a good job too. Swan did a good job in isolating the power cable coming in, putting it in a box, and the high voltage lead is all nice and isolated so you don't get shocked with 900 volts at 1 amp. That's rather kind of them. So yeah, I'm thinking now I'll turn this thing back over and see how it works. I'm still hearing a little static. Yeah, there it is. So something is still a bit amiss. And that could be a tube too. So what I might do is take tubes out of the other Swan I have and put them all on this one and see if the noise goes away. Something in the receive section has a little bit of chatter to it. Not bad, but so I have no antenna on now. I'm just letting it hiss to see if I hear any static. And there is a bit of crap on the signal. It's not bad, but boy, that sure seems microphonic. I think there it goes. So the guilty party's in here somewhere. So that's actually what the audio tube is. So I think replace the audio tube and see what happens. That's the main output tube for the audio. Let's replace that with the other radio's tube and see if it goes away. And then the problem's solved. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.